Hi, my name is Saf, and I am 6 to 7 figure Amazon account manager helping brands build, scale, and optimize profitable Amazon businesses. Hi, I work with sellers who care about the ROI, controlled air costs, and long-term scalability, not just launching the product. So I provide end-to-end Amazon store building and management. That's starting from data-driven product research, market analysis, and followed by manufacturing, shipment planning, and FBA execution. I specialize in high converting listings, advanced front-end and back-end SEO with performance-focused advanced PPC advertisements with the emphasis of improving ROI and reducing wasted ad spend. I also manage account health like IP violations, listing suppressions, detail page removal, category ungating, account reinstatement to ensure that the brands stay compliant and scalable. So friends, I also deliver conversion optimized creatives like main images, A+, both basic and premium, brand story, and storefront as well to increase the conversion rate and improve the CTR. So whether you are launching your first product or you want to scale to multi-figure, I bring profit first, ROI driven strategy to your businesses. So let's connect and scale your brand the right way. See you in the meeting.